Do you want to work from home for $22 an hour and set your own schedule? Stay tuned. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to make up to $22 an hour or more teaching English online with VIPKID. My name is Mark Vincente. The reason I chose to go with VIPKID is because they are so flexible with their scheduling. I could schedule myself when I want to work. I could leave myself unbooked when I don't want to work. The flexibility they have in their program is bar none the best. And within those days, you get to set your own hours. I usually average 4 to 5 hours a day of working classes with VIPKID. When I do that, I make anywhere from $80 to $100 per day. So whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time job, VIPKID may be the answer. VIPKID starts out with a base pay anywhere from $7 to $9 per class. A class is 25 minutes long. On top of the base pay, you get an extra $1 per class just for being on time. VIPKID also offers incentives. If you teach 30 classes or more in a month, you get an extra 50 cents per class. If you teach 45 classes or more per month, you get an extra $1 per class. They also have an incentive program that if you refer a friend to VIPKID, when they teach their first class, you get $100. There's also an incentive that if you teach a trial class and that kid signs up for VIPKID, their parents, you'll get an extra $5 just for them signing up. The requirements for VIPKID are these. 1, you have to be a resident of the United States or Canada. 2, you have to be fluent in English and have a neutral accent. You need to have experience working with children, but not necessarily in a school. Any experience working with kids, you have to have 1 year of time working with children in some fashion. That could be daycare, camp, church functions, anything that works with children qualifies. To work for VIPKID, you have to have a bachelor's degree in any field whatsoever. It doesn't have to be in education. You don't necessarily need an ESL certification, but it does help when deciding your pay rate. You'll also require a computer with a webcam. Headphones are also a necessity. There's a mic on them that speaks to the kids and it cuts down the background noise for the kids that are listening on the other end. These are simple Logitech headphones that I got for $19.95 on Amazon. There'll be a link down in the description if you're interested in these, but any headphones will do. And last, you need a stable internet connection. After that, you're good to go and ready to teach. If you got something out of this video, please hit like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you can get notified of future videos that are coming out. Again, my name is Mark Vincente. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you at VIPKID. If you want to sign up to be a teacher with VIPKID, use my link down in the description. Contact me at teachermarkv@gmail.com, and I will walk you through all the steps on how to become a teacher for VIPKID.